We live in a modern world, but back in the day, they didn't have a Panera Bread. Back in the 1800s, they had no idea how huge and modern our area of Contra Costa would be, especially Brentwood. This sprawling entertainment and shopping mecca is called the streets of Brentwood. This is AMC, probably my most favorite place to watch movies, here at the streets of Brentwood.